Proof of work is a very interesting model of consensus. It is pretty safe, and the major element of safety introduced by proof of work is the fact that to build a block you need to create an hash that is extremely expensive from a computational point of view to be generated. This is a very important thing because this introduces security. From the other side, the downside of this approach is that if all the computers in the network are all trying to calculate that hash, and only one is going to be selected, this is extremely wasteful. And it doesn't matter where the electricity comes from, what the price, etc., etc. You could have done something else with that electricity ultimately. So yes, how can we keep that level of security without being wasteful? The proof of reputation tries to address that. And then there is the proof of stake, which is, okay, we want a system that is more sustainable environmentally, but this is creating other issues now because you need to have a stake that can be slashed if your node is not operating properly. Now the value of that stake is, for example, $70,000 now, but not everybody has $70,000 to put on in a stake and risk to lose the money for something that goes wrong. Not necessarily you can lose the money only if you try to do something malicious. So what can you do to compromise between these two technologies to come up with a consensus that it's sustainable, secure, and doesn't create financial centralization? Proof of reputation is just an attempt to do that. So we are not using a stake. We penalize nodes on future earnings. So you don't have those coins. You didn't earn those coins yet. So you are gonna earn coins in more slower way if your reputation index goes down. But we still keep that high performance hashing. But in this case, it's performed only by one node, that is the node selected by our consensus mechanism. So there is a decentralized random number generator, which is at the base of the algorithm that is extracting who's going to be the next node minting a block, and that node is the only one who's going to do that hashing. So it's not proof of stake, not proof of work. It's a combination of the goals of both of them.